Tell us about your ride.
It was awesome. I mean, we took the long route where we could go all the way around campus, but everything's just stable. It's easy to ride, but at the same time, it feels open. It's a hell of a lot of fun. And being fully electric, how awesome is that?
Uplifting like the urban mobility sectors, I think this is the next step forward.
I had the, I would say, irrational exuberance of a startup founder who sold company number one, bootstrapped it from nothing over 6 years, sold it for an offer we couldn't refuse in 2007. So that's when I was sort of like, I need a fun, get around town electric ride, and could not find it in the market. It wasn't until I saw a kit vehicle called the Buggy that the light bulb really went on as far as three-wheeled vehicles. And what the light bulb illuminated was just the giant gap in the market between the bike and the car. And it struck me that if we designed the right thing in that gap, that we could actually really make an impact in shifting the footprint of daily transport. What I think really separates Arcimoto from everything else out there that we've seen is that these are all essentially the same product. It is one underlying chassis, one underlying platform, same wheels, tires, brakes, batteries, controllers, all the rest, and we are continuing to dial in the product in preparation for mass production.
What we're building now, designing now, is what we call the ramp. We've got the AMP, the Arcimoto manufacturing plant, the ramp, which I think the new moniker I'm using is a rapid assembly of money-making products, and we want to put ramps all over the place, right? So we're designing that pattern of mass production, and then figuring out who are we going to team up with everywhere so that we can bring all of them online and start cranking out products.